I abandoned my sick father and my children to campaign for this woman in Dome is appealing. I apologize to the people of Dome Kwabenya. Please forgive me. We will do better next time. Ghana hasn't been given to anyone as work and pay. We, the people of Dome Kwabenya, deserves better. Let there be a by-election for the vacant seat. Oh yes, I said it. The Constitution makes it clear. Good morning.
It's the hottest trend in the world right now, and as Time magazine says, people are making.
Afia if you Shouldnt and can send on Instagram, yeah, they are banner. Now, I want about just a phone sense anymore. I brought your DC, one also Edna no at movie. And I watch I was on about just a for very, very careful because I brought you one of now what's you know. And you Ghana, yeah, taxpayers' money. And I was so and I send up on account some cuckoo, not a butcher woody. Because one of my butcher in our one as minister and as MP, 18 and for should be a woman standing MP Mumbiano, would it be? Now, one of I just me fine, into awesome. Now, I brought you this chima. I had a big Kwabenya seat because 16 days in Asunti, and Mremuno, I was so declare as vacant. So we declare as vacant. Or no, one person committing a Jinapa, Ama or Matuna Swaba. I was a young court new Kutia said, yeah, I brought you this a church and in Yaba near to us.
ÃXposllid issue. I say, MPP, Tetemo, I say, Opasa Moyeno, Motakeno, diplomatically. But what the answer to say, a hard game?
No, Korea woman say. But the one thing is that we have laws in the country or a member of parliament. So we MPP as a political party now or one of the one now.
Yeah.
Young friend on change so or TT MPP. But you miss say in her absence, in her absence, for a very long time, him for Tuyanaka. We use the taxpayers' money and the Tianaka as a member of parliament. Since you are absence in America hobbyano, but they recognize her as a member of parliament. I offer Ghana.
And a substantive minister of
and Yamra not say the or Sanye minister Ogusu Honum.
Yeah.
No, was seeking for leave.
Yeah.
Say
or call TikTok.
What they mean, send a letter, and yes, I know kind also call Aquacoye and Yamabi. And as a minister,
yeah,
now for a very long time, Ebia own yare. Now, we seek leave, doesn't mean say they don't pay you.
Yeah.
When entitlement, BS said the man, but assuming Biana as a minister of state, you know, yeah, the man. And no. Leave Ben was seeking for that very long time. And ye dear. Now ye be who now sa. But before me fi say one way the other no. As I say, oh yeah, very, very careful say. We can pick ni leave ni letter Korano. Ni ya raise some legal issues to say. Ya who's your leave now usiki yen Korano. For so kwa ye bibia. And yet, what will leave no one sick leave where boy or mine. A Katrabia OG and now what now baby son and your papa. The absence in parliament and that's one of your rules and regulations for parliament here. As I say, when I leadership for parliament and so you're there. Every year can once because parliament neighbor be policies in programs in your day. Efa. Now say, Drew said deliberation on the set. You represent the people of Dome Kwabenya, the largest constituency in Ghana. And Sophie said, me mabiema. And I say, Jumadi I had the chairman son. And Merasun say, Mintiminye Biema as a member of parliament here. Nothing stops you so over Ghana for so. Me Emrasebe Jenny, our Dome Kwabenya. A Jumani Mintimin to Asubim. Then you tender in resignation and ameboa. Me Emrasebe me minister of state, our gender ministry. Mintimin Yama Dumabi. Now, Manfua who said the way forward. Maybe to us, me what drama could be until me met my prospective candidate. What does he say? Me what drama could be until it's our cousin.
I'm wondering what the president is doing.
No,
president to watching.
And you'll be a
piano besides one point to be explained. What?
Yes, you're a soft spot, man.
What does he say? Until Kovi, until me, the say,
Mrs. Soft Spot.
Kovi, me, the say. So also on Kobe, my meme to say, Meti constituency. And I once I'm here regional chairman or region for doesn't mean say, Mintimin contested Domeko Benya.
Okay.
To me, a prospective candidate, Nameton, it's my constituency.
Okay.
It's my constituency. And as soon as I'm more per candidate, I'm more than qualified.
Oh, okay. But are you interested?
Oh, that's it's my constituency. I have stayed there for a very long time. Domeko Benya is the largest constituency.
Okay.
Yeah, Pine Kwana met Makobi.
No, but will you?
What do you say?
Will you
oh, why not? Why not? Let me constituency.
Okay.
And to say, 1 year, you tell the people, say, Menye.
Nanka Kwame
Akwanya Bankwan, they say, me kwa go because the national party in crown stop me. Once, me regional chairman will be in Chile, and I'm a constituency in the money there. Me and fear na don't wanna say qualified to pick a form and contest.
Okay.
But me say issues na nkasa say duru ba bi ni say adwuma ye de mawo na say officer wuntimi nya e man fo ano enti do ko usha you are very young girl. 40 years.
That's a lot ahead.
Wo enfie na edi wanim ni ye more ese say otimi take. That be sent na me ka say.
Say Kwame ka say enise
Any say amanfo enya gidie ma mfie mako du mienu. This is the third time about 2012 to a year. As a young girl, akrachefo omugu honom ebinum akosuku yi bi chan. Na so omunya omu gidie na say duru ba bi na 24/7. Wo madabia constituency ni dini. Enam saa ye nyai bo Beye since last year October there. The bien wa over Swara won't say you discuss about Domeko Kwabenya constituency. I am Adwoa wedding. And a dimbono baby besan. You know, me yampi me ni biema. And ya fain.
But will you lead be a parliament and take a decision?
There is a rules. Yen United Crew my democracy at the Mara
from the ministry.
That
is the easiest.
Yeah, ministry they are buying bet me about MP ni there.
Yeah.
Nana don't remember. Bet me the ministry
you
position.
You are there for party.
And also a technical kaka. And also a technical.
What's that say? Parliament there. Ebe depending in Suban. Just remember the other side.
We are absenting home for some number of days.
Yes, and
Parliament award number of days. I want me absent.
Yes, 16 days. Yes, one clan command speaker.
That is
one clan command 16 days. Onye.
It's on record say.
Onye.
We overstay. Leave now or no. But I say no more than 15 continuous sitting days. No, she has been absent without official notification.
But Kwame, are you surprised? And NDC for jump to her support. Are you surprised?
Oh, now say you know say Ghana Hano. At the burning beer
because more person would never pass it. That is the reason why you are angry.
Cåmpåign. So to say. Bronsam, ya da sore ne se bronsam kre se me come sore mo so akona me mabiema andi si beka za ja bronsam wo koi ye ne wan ne betena
Kwame
andi si
how
I'm telling you me say wo de ye nan sore anopa na bronsam gina circle no wa ye ne nsa se Ghana fo ba me ko me de me dwuma di abawie andi si wo organize a press conference no ma bisa se bronsam wo koi ye ne wan ne betena and you know, forget about Andy's Subano. Na yanka issue ni say Andy's yadi kana make everything omu yebia you know is about the e-levy.
Yes, it's about the e-levy.
No, me dia me say yam fly non tonche. Yan apply rules na Andy's ni say e-levy ba. Tio. Mo say e-levy dia ho kire beba Ghana for so. Ope power ba. Ntinya no anse wo ye dinam de ahokere na ba no wawe ne power. So tell you say asem na omo ka no omo wo bibi under the carpet.
No, they are saying say mo desperation is so obvious. To the sense say uti anra boka na. O cha say private jet nyina ba mo. O ba ya na
COVID.
Na Kwame mo dey
private jet asem.
Yeah.
Chief of staff na the man no nyina.
Any sika
na president wa unya hwe.
But what is that?
120 no 120 nya 120 aye so famra Ghana. On one afraid chief of staff so dini birthday. Na ne birthday no man hwe on hwe no. Nti enya 120 aye so famra.
Say a gift. Kwame two patches say a gift.
A gift and a gift from chief of staff personal resources. What I say? Adwoa Safuna and a friend say, Mama, me dim birthday maintain uncle. No, the man say, now the chief of staff who sees you Cromano or sees you or yeah, Juma or Ghana Hano, Ashing Aid Ghana,
cities and dollars.
Oh, cities. And Obio $100 if your boy. Ne birthday it is Adwoa Safuna and a friend. So, Mammy birthday and I feel your dim birthday, I feed the MI. And not demand that or 26 somewhere. Oh, that's how the when you charge was of one until when you until what a wabble. Oh, yeah, bro, until I take coffee. And only the and Jessica, your terms on family parliament. Because rules and regulation in your clear or parliament. Oh, 70 as more, you know better, Ebeka. But coffee near me, we say.
1 minute.
Abaya Mahama ye fundraising. Oko donate 1 million Ghana cedis 2019 Mahama fundraising.
Abaya.
No ye former chief executive officer Masro. Tama Mahama ye ne fundraising 2019 no. Abaya no ko donate 1 million Ghana cedis Mahama mrabi. O man says
Abaya.
Said nam tamakulu.
Okay.
Or donate 1 million to support Mahama comeback no. Ye charging the court no. Say one mama stroke sika sa obakaya. Otimi fa sika na fa bi mo de koja filling station no akode. Yes. Onwe proceedings na ekoso no wo. Enti maame ne yede ne kwa court na nipa ba ko okota odi kan wura court down ko born chi dom ye Mahama. Na nkurobo na kire no Mahama kuro ya na atu abaya no fo so onwane na oba obema na babiem nti eye
who evidence kire sa
me say Mahama na ka tire so onwane Mahama
na ya
na ka tire se dantama kuro se onwane na oba obeye no press
we don't have that.
Or Ghana.
Kwame, any evidence. We don't have any evidence.
Who frames some member evidence? Member cancer mutrana mediaba.
Evidence.
One frame some medal. Who frames some cancer mutrana me catro. Entity me namen sorry ko. Kofi me wie no. Na no yes ye gifativo. Mahama timhwe nyame anim. Gifativo o ma mani bo ka krosu 30 billion.
The Bas Brandon issue now.
Bas Brandon no. Mahama timhwe nyame anim so ba. Ama me ne se sika wa wia no. Na ai afa for the court ma court ka se we die. Ma me wa wia sika no. Na court order no man refund sika no tenten na o san resign ye no. Mahama hwe nyame anim na anu ayesie ni se oba. Ho international airport no. Or the better Gifativo. Just would ye, Uba, we are akromfo na glorify or
Kwame.
I was for a brother DC and I yet saying can also actually I draft for honorable ÃXposllid and sense him was so when you're very careful, said in TV, if you know Zanzibar, or as minister and also as MP in Tinum Faso Debia or more Ghana here, Jumajibiano, or also or GB. Medemosia say, now, some nice and discover gentleman capsules as usual, and I'm a K.Agyapong, no near draw basis,